Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to write a cover letter for a physician assistant position. In this YouTube video, I will write an example letter focused on positions such as physician associate or associate physician. Now once you are finished writing your own cover letter, I would advise you to download matching and professional looking resume and cover letter templates. Click on the link in the description for more information. Alright, now before we start, let me first emphasize on the top writing tips for physician assistants. First off, in a formal cover letter we need to use a suitable font and font size. Calibri, Arial or Times New Roman with a 10 to 12 point font size will do. Now don't use novelty style fonts like Script Style, Comic Sans or handwriting fonts. Furthermore, keep a word count of around 300 to 400 words and divide the cover letter into 4 paragraphs. Secondly, personalize your cover letter. For example, know to whom you need to address your letter to and include a name in the salutation. Write Dear Mr. Jones or Dear Miss Jones, but avoid generic openings like Dear Hiring Manager, Dear Sir or Madam, and especially not use To Whom It May Concern. Thirdly, emphasize on the most important physician skills. For example, problem-solving skills, ability to make quality, independent decisions, or strong verbal communication and listening skills. Now make sure you relate these to the job requirements. Search for keywords that are used multiple times. Now by doing so, you know better which competencies to focus on. Fourthly, don't simply list your personal traits and skills like you do in your resume, but instead provide context in numbers, statistics, or awards you've been granted. Describe relevant real-life achievements and, if possible, you refer to your references where former employers confirm your qualifications. At last, keep your letter short, concise and to the point, and maintain a tone of voice that is confident, courteous and sincere. Now these are the most important writing tips for physician assistants in my opinion. Alright, next up I want to start writing the cover letter example. First we start off by listing our contact information on the left side. Then we put the date between white lines underneath, and then the hiring manager's name, job title, and the company's information. As for the salutation, we write Dear Mr. Jones. For American usage, we include a dot after the abbreviation. For British English, you can leave it out. In the first paragraph, also called the introduction, you need to express your interest for the job opportunity. Inform the reader in greater detail where you found the job advertisement. And if the vacancy was referred by a mutual connection, you should definitely mention this in the introduction. Now in the second paragraph, you shortly introduce yourself followed by your motivation for the job opportunity. For example, refer to an article you read about the company and elaborate on why their physician office or specifically this position appeals to you. Key here is to show that you did your research and that you are specifically interested in what they offer. Try to personalize your application letter as much as possible. In the third paragraph, you have to match your profile to the competencies listed in the vacancy. Inform the reader about your qualifications related to the requirements. Do not simply list your skills like you do in your resume, but instead make it quantifiable. Remember, your cover letter is a supplement to your resume. In the last paragraph, you politely initiate an interview, so you inform the reader what you want to discuss about. Make sure you capture the essence of your cover letter, refer to your attached resume, and include your phone number and email address so they can easily reach out to you. After that, you thank the reader for taking their time and you close in a compelling way. So kind regards or best regards, followed by your name and surname. Okay, so we touched upon the do's and don'ts for writing a cover letter and actually made an example letter of around 350 words and 4 paragraphs. If you need more inspiration, then check out all of my other cover letter examples via the link in the description. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I want to thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more related content. Other than that, thanks again for watching and until next time.